Okay, on Gutfield on Fox News, they're talking about favorite TV shows. Right? They mentioned Big Valley, Gunsmoke.
And you had PBS, which had like Monty Python and the Goonies, I think it was called.
Goonshot and Doctor Who.
Doctor Who. But it's like they packed a lot of stuff into that. Fernwood Tonight, America Tonight, The Tonight Show, Mike Douglas, Merv Griffin, Dinah Shore. There's nothing better than the 70s. Right? Nothing.
So true. So true.
Nothing. It's like you can turn on Mike Douglas and John Lennon and Yoko Ono are sitting there with Mike Douglas. You know? And Paul Lynde would be the center square. And Alan Suits would be on laughing. Alright. Here's another question. Detour. Why do we even bother with names? If there was a holiday named after you, how would it be celebrated? That's a good one. Kat?
I don't know, like vaping and dancing around and then just watching Dateline murder mysteries.
There you go.
Yeah, earlier they were talking about ISIS and the Shazam Hour. And they were saying how the woman who voiced ISIS was the hot brunette. So, anyway. So, Kim Jong-un is saying he wants the U.S. to stop their training exercises, right? Which they do with South Korea because the North probably originally attacked South Korea. Anyway, I don't know officially who started the war, whether again it was the North against the South and the U.S. joined in or what.
And it's
But anyway.
You invented the step or the high chair.
Holiday
the
games.
Seat, or the high heel.
It's called the Greg Gutfield Show. You know, you can't see in here. Unless you're at the door. Back off. Got a few samurai swords. Want to see one? Breathe heavy again next time I mute it. Dare you! Nothing that time.
He said his fireworks are too close to the barbecue pit, and his wife was right. and all his fireworks blew up, and he lost his pinky.
You're also being recorded, by the way, on my phone.
She wouldn't take him to the hospital because he deserved it, and she didn't want him bleeding in her station wagon.
Don't know if it picked up your heavy breathing or not, but might've.
Yeah, that's true.
We'll see when I post it on YouTube.
We would go to the
Bye.